TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms in the world, and the opportunity to make money from it is very prominent and largely untapped. Welcome to Money Kingpins. Today we'll be discussing the variety of ways you can make money on TikTok. Number 1, the TikTok Creator Fund. Once you meet the requirements of 10,000 followers, an account in good standing, and being at least 18 years in age, you can join the TikTok Creator Fund. As of this recording, the standard rate of payment through the Creator Fund is between 2 and 4 cents per 1,000 views. This is fairly small in comparison to similar creator payment programs, but with the virality on TikTok fairly easy to achieve, a few big videos can lead to some decent cash. There has been speculation in the past about account suppression from the algorithm upon joining the fund, but these claims are based in speculation, have not been backed with data, and the verbiage in the TikTok Creator Fund agreement does not indicate that this is true. Number 2, live streaming. To live stream on TikTok, you'll need at least 1,000 followers. Once going live, your viewers can send in gifts or tips to get your attention and show their support to you. There are many creative ways to grow your live streaming and many ways to incentivize your audience to send gifts in. If you want some ideas on what to do whilst live streaming, you can go to the Live tab in your TikTok app and see what accounts with the largest streams are doing. Number 3, sponsored posting. If you are eligible for the TikTok Creator Fund, you can enter the TikTok Creator Next portal, where TikTok provides creators and companies a marketplace to negotiate terms on sponsored content. Once you've joined this marketplace, you can set your rates for posting, and companies will submit proposals for posting promotional content directly to your page. This is a fairly effortless way to generate income, as many brands come to you as you do not have to pitch your account to brands. Another perk aside from financial gain through this marketplace is you'll often be sent free product to show in your videos as well as your posting fee. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Like many other social media platforms, you have access to a link just under your bio on your profile page. You can insert affiliate links into this section and call your viewers to go to that link in your videos and in your captions. There are a number of TikTokers who simply purchase and review products on Amazon and send their viewers to their Amazon affiliate links and receive commission from that. While call to action conversions on TikTok may not be very high in comparison to Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, it is important to note that the opportunity to reach a very large number of people is much easier to attain on TikTok. This is why TikTok has a lot of potential for great affiliate marketing profit, because if you can find a product or service with a great potential for virality, although you may not get the best click-through rates, the sheer traffic that you'll get to it can convert into a lot of money. Number 5, sell merchandise. Once you've grown a solid following on TikTok, you may see selling merchandise as a lucrative way to grow your brand and personal revenue. You can start off simply with no overhead costs through print-on-command sites like Teespring, and if you see demand on a platform such as Teespring, you can advance to holding some inventory to improve margin and even host your own e-commerce site on Squarespace or a similar web hosting platform. That's 5 ways to increase and diversify your income through TikTok. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other suggestions on income creating activities through TikTok, or if you have any questions on topics discussed in this video. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Please subscribe to the Money Kingpins channel and explore our other videos for more great content to help you create generational wealth.